Alright, so this is a nursing home, and there is two TVs on the same room. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to program each of the remotes to a specific box, so that way they don't talk each other. So whenever this guy is messing with this TV, it's not changing the channels on that one right there. So let's get started. So I'm working on a Dre system, and the one thing that we have to do in order to unlock the main menu for the Dre is you have, if you press right now on the menu, this is what you'll get: limited access, settings. You will get just closed captioning and audio language, and that's about it. So we have to unlock the main menu. The way we'll do that, it's by rebooting the box. So I'm just going to unplug it and plug it back in, and that's going to reboot our box. And let me do the same thing for this one. So on this one, since the reset button is on the top, I'm just going to press that, and that's going to reboot the box for this one as well. So what we're going to do when we get to the acquiring satellite signal screen, we're going to press this button right here, this red dot. Now do you notice that it's not the recording button, it's the red dot right here. We're going to press that and don't release till we get the main menu screen popping up. So let's wait for the screen, the acquiring satellite signal screen, and that percentage bar to start filling up at least 1% in order to be able to unlock the main menu. So let's wait here for a little bit. And I'm sorry guys, I don't have a computer to edit this this video, so you're gonna have to bear with me on this. So that's step 1 of 2, checking satellite settings. The other TV is doing the same thing, and we are unlocking the main menu on a Dre software receivers. And the one thing that I did to identify the remotes and the TVs, I'll label them. So this TV, I put a label with the number 1, this remote, and the TV as well, a label with the number 1. And TV on the right has number 2, number 2. So that way you know which one is which. So we are on that screen already, receiving satellite info. So we're just gonna aim to the TV and press this, and don't release till you get the screen you want. There we go. So I just released because I already got the screen, and we're gonna do the same thing for that TV in a minute. So once you are in the main menu, you want to go to this, just go to the left, and that will unlock this settings. Scroll down to remote control. Alright, let me pause for a minute here, and let's get this unlocked as well. So red dot, I'm going to aim to the TV and just press, and just don't release till I get the screen that I need. Now just make sure you aim to the sensors. Let's see, the sensor is right there, so I'm just going to aim to the sensor, and I won't release till I get that screen that I need. There it is. So I go left. Oops. If this happens, just press again and don't release till you get the screen. There it is. Then you just go to the left and down to remote control. Alright, so now that we are on the main screen, on the main menu, you go to the remote control option and select, and then go to advanced setups. Once you are in advanced setups, then just press dash and it will take you to this screen right here, and this is how you assign the receiver number to your remote. So this TV is going to be receiver number 1, and this TV is going to be receiver number 2. So we go to remote control, select, and advanced setups, dash, and receiver number 2. See, if you just select it, it will give you all the options, and then I'll select number 2. So that's going to be number 2 right there. So now you go to let's start with receiver number 1. You hit continue, and it's going to give you the instructions on how to program the remote to this specific box. So you press mute and select, and then once you get the light to blink twice, then you enter that code right there, 00001. So on your remote, you press select and mute, and then you got to see that light blinking twice. There it is. Now you press 0 0 0 0 1. Now if you did it right, you press select and it should respawn, and then you just press exit and you're done with it. And you do the same thing with this TV. So you select receiver number 2, you grab your remote with the number 2, continue, and it's going to ask you to do the same thing, same process, but you see the code has a number 2 in the end. So you press select and mute, blinks twice, and then you go 0 0 0 0 number 2. If you did it right, that's going to make your TV to respawn. And there it is. Now we can change the channels on this one. And then if you aim to that one and try to change the channel, it's not going to change, because it's only programmed for number 2. Now if you try the same thing with this one right here, you change the channel and it's working, but if you aim to that one, it's not going to do anything. Alright, and that's how you separate those remotes, program them to a specific box. Thank you for watching.